In the name of God, most gracious, most merciful, welcome everybody to our presentation, which, as you can see, the title is Internet and the World. During this course, our teacher talked to us about the culture. In this presentation, we are trying to talk about the effect of the Internet on our culture. Joining me in this presentation, my brother Abdullah Janain and Muhammad Saad. First of all, we're going to talk about the uses of the Internet in this time, and then my brother Abdullah will talk about the advantages of the Internet, then the disadvantages of the Internet. First of all, the uses of the Internet. Please, if you have any question, raise your hand. We'll be ready to answer it immediately. The uses of the Internet in this time has become very, very large, and it's kind of impossible to live without the Internet. First of all, it is used in gaming. One of the most high-tech technologies in this world are the gaming industry, which is a very advanced technology. Also in work, some people nowadays, as you can know, they use the Internet for a living, whether it's designing web pages or even buying and selling through the Internet. Also in education, by the way, one of my relatives actually got his master's through Internet education. Also in business and in living in general. I'd like to talk now about the future of the Internet by showing a video which is for the Google industry. It is about a new project, an invention they're trying to make. It is about relating or trying to make Internet a complete part of our lives. So I'll show the video. This invention is about glasses. You wear the glasses, and the glasses are connected to the Internet. The information that the glasses gives you, which is in the screen, it's about, as you can see, he's now making a message by talking to the glasses and then sending it to the receiver. Let's see now. Now he received 6 messages. He also received a notification saying that the subway route is closed. So the system now, the Google Maps, is giving him another route that he can use. Also here he sees this poster of an event. So he tells the glasses to make a reminder to buy the tickets. Now he's getting the location from his friend. As you can see, it's normal glasses. You just wear it. It's not bothering you. You feel completely normal. You can also take pictures. You can see here. So that you take a picture of what you see.
Is this man blind?
No. He's a normal person. I'll show you the picture. So now he's making a video call. So he sees his friend through the goggles. Okay, so he's now playing for his girlfriend. As you can see, this is the picture of the invention. Of course, this invention is not yet, hasn't been produced or sold yet, but the Google company is trying to do that. Thank you very much. I will now let my brother talk about the advantages of the Internet.
Hello everybody. My name is Abdullah Janain from Gambia. Today I'm going to talk about the Internet advantage. Internet is the most important in our life. Before, the people used papers and books, but right now we have Internet. Internet, we can use many things in Internet. First of all, I will start by communication. Communication by internet is very important. So you can get a lot of things in internet. So you can chat, you can watch the videos, you can write letters, you can write a text and send to your friends. So that is the good things. We can do anything we need in internet. So second, I will talk about the internet. So, yes. Internet. Sometimes in the internet you can find a lot of things. Like before, we have books and letters, but right now, maybe you can find your friend 10 years back by Facebook or Yahoo Messenger. So you can search anyone in your friend and you can get it in internet. Before we didn't have that. So right now we can find anything in internet. And that I will talk about network. Network is very important again in internet. You can get anything by internet. Before, you can go to the airport and book it. But right now, you will use internet and book it by internet. So that is very flexible and very easy. Before, you will take your car or by foot to go airport and do booking. But right now, by internet, and you are staying in your house. So that is very easy. And you can get again Twitter. Twitter is the most important or most famous communication in this world. So you arrive, you have that baby, you will target the Thawra. In Egypt, we didn't have the end of the Thawra, they have clothing, everything, and television, radios, what internet was doing. So that is advantages. There's advantages. I will talk the internet in use. Before the use, we didn't have anything by internet, but right now we have a lot of things. The youth, they will play games and Skype. You can call your friends by Skype and many things. So before it's more difficult, but right now it's easy. So you can do anything in internet. Internet is the most important things in our life. So right now I will give my friend a chance to talk and with you about the disadvantage.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Mohamed Sa. I'm from Senegal. Today, I will talk about negative of internet. There is many positive in internet, but also there is negative many things. Because there is today I want to talk about negative effect of internet on the child. I decided to talk about it because there are many children using internet wrong using. Because in today's society, people use computer are introduced at every age. And at home and in school for homework. So have been used help for the computer children and young people wide of computer and internet securities. Because there is many children, they are using internet wrong way. This will affect by future. Maybe by future, if you go to a school, always you will think about internet or about games. You cannot concentrate in your study. Another one, I will talk about hacking of personal information in internet. Because there is many people, they are using internet like online shopping, or you can use to buy ticket in the website. Then if you don't use correct way, or if you let there your information, somebody can take this information to take your money in your account or to do anything. Because providing personal information online when shopping can result in hacker. Again, access to provided data that can be used to stay your account and even your identity. Thank you. Any questions?
You have questions to ask? Thank you very much.
Could people live without internet?
Sorry?
People could live without internet.
I think very difficult now to live without internet.
Yes. Abdul Rahman, I remember when you talked about this invention about Google. I heard that here in Qatar University, some students, some engineering students, have applied such a kind of innovation, but it is related to blind people. And they got a prize internationally. That this proposal is a proposal presented by 3 students in the engineering program about wearing light glasses, and this kind of glasses helps those who are blind. It can tell them, it can read, but of course it needs a kind of infrastructure. It needs, for example, that everything is digital. So, for example, when the blind person comes, the glasses tells that there is a door in front of you, there is a staircase, there is a road, so you have to pay attention. So I think there is a kind of improvement done by Qatar University students here, which is good.
That's only for work, or can you use it for not for life?
I don't know, but it is what I have heard, because I heard it from a person whose daughter was one of the students that they presented, and Qatar University has got a good rank in this proposal. Yeah. Thank you very much for your nice